Every day is a new opportunity, a new chance to become the person you've always wanted to be. Life is not about avoiding struggles. It's about how we face them, how we learn, and how we grow through them. Remember, no matter how tough things get, you have within you a strength that can overcome anything. The world might try to tell you that you're not enough, that you're too young, or that you're not capable. But let me tell you this, those voices are nothing more than distractions. They are there to test your resolve, to see if you're willing to fight for your dreams. And I know you are. The journey to success is not a straight path. It's full of twists, turns, and obstacles that may seem impossible to get past. But each time you fall, you get back up stronger. Each failure is not the end, but a lesson, a stepping stone on the way to your true potential. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. You are more capable than you think, and the only way to discover what you're truly made of is by stepping out of your comfort zone and pushing forward, even when it feels hard. Remember, greatness is not about perfection. It's about progress. It's about waking up every day and deciding that you're going to keep going, even when things don't go as planned. The most successful people didn't get there by playing it safe. They got there by taking risks, by believing in themselves even when others didn't, and by staying focused on their goals. And you can do the same. Your potential is limitless. You are capable of achieving incredible things, but it all starts with one simple thing: belief. Believe in yourself, believe in your vision, and most importantly, never give up. No dream is too big if you're willing to work for it. Keep pushing forward, stay consistent, and don't let anything or anyone tell you that you can't. You have the power to shape your future, and it all begins with the actions you take today. So take that first step, make that change, and remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself. Keep striving, keep growing, and keep reaching for the stars. Your potential is infinite.